Now the light switch in the bathroom also turns on the bedroom light that I just fixed, and does not turn on the bathroom light. What you figure?
Interesting. Let me think on this a second.
Hey. When I removed the light fixture to begin with, the 3 whites were together and only 2 blacks. There was what I believe is called a ponytail in there somewhere, but I did not notice where it came from. If that helps at all. Only 2 blacks together.
Are there no ground wires in the ceiling box? Green or bare?
They are all together, there. Wrapped around a screw and capped together.
Okay. Sorry to do this, but to get this correct we need to turn the breaker off, take the light back down, and separate all the white and black wires in the ceiling.
KK, no worries. On it. Done.
Okay, now this tester you have, does it have 2 leads that you touch to the wires?
Yep.
Okay, turn the breaker back on. Touch 1 lead to those bare ground wires in the box, then check all whites and black wires and identify which one or ones are hot. It will be important that you do not lose track of the hot ones. Then tell me what you found.
Only 1 black one showed as hot. The white one from earlier didn't light up.
Okay, breaker back off, and switch to the light off.
KK.
Now, look carefully in the box. There should be a white that is paired with a hot black. If you look closely, it should be inside the same cable.
Yep.
Okay, this pair of wires I will now call hot in black and neutral in white.
Okay.
Connect hot in black to either of the remaining 2 black wires. Then connect neutral in white to the white wire that is paired with the black wire you just connected to hot in black. This should leave 1 paired black and white connected to nothing.
K, done. The combination I just used did nothing in the lights off position, but tripped the breaker when I turned the lights on.
Turn the breaker back on, and see if your bathroom light is now working properly.
Bathroom light not working.
Okay. Bear with me, we are almost there.
Hey, no worries. In this till the end.
Remove the black and white that you just connected to hot in black and neutral in white and connect the other pair of wires in the same way, leaving the first pair unconnected. Breaker off first.
Wires are getting juice in both the lights on and off position. Bathroom lights work.
Bathroom lights working properly off and on with the switch?
Yep.
Okay. Now breaker back off, connect the remaining black to the other 2 in the box. 3 blacks connected together.
Same outcome, bathroom light works in both on and off, juice in bedroom on tester in both on and off.
You're saying that before you connected that 3rd black wire, the bath light worked on and off properly, and now it stays on when the switch is in either position?
No, before connecting the 3rd black wire, the bathroom light turned off and on as it should. It does the same now as well with the 3rd black wire. I just meant that when I tested the wires in the room with the fixture, the tester indicated there was power to the wires in both off and on position.
Okay. Turn breaker back off. Now as before, connect the black on the bedroom light to the single white in the box. Connect the 2 whites in the box to the white on the bedroom light, turn power on and check all switches.
We now have a fully functioning bedroom and bathroom smile.
Awesome. You know, I would like to see Canada one day. I am thankful for Gore XXXXXX by You Can Take Back Justin Bieber.
I blame Usher for Justin Bieber. We will take the heat for Nickelback though.
AWWW. I like Nickelback. And I blame Usher too.
Ha ha ha.
I am turning in. If you should have any more problems, I will be back on tomorrow. But you should be fine now. Sorry it took so long. It's hard to diagnose these things without being there.
Hey, no worries. Made it very easy to get this done. I thank you again for the help.
Thank you. Good night.
Take care, smile.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.